Look no further than the 2021 Nissan Armada. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Indulge your love of the strong silent type. This handsome Armada offers remarkable capability, yet still gives you a refined, upscale passenger experience that's smooth and serenely quiet. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, proximity key entry, navigation system, moonroof, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, fog lamps. Get the full-size SUV that's as capable as it is comfortable. This Armada does it all in style. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.